to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. The first thing you need to check whether your network connection is stable or not. Due to poor internet connection as well, you might be facing the problem of WhatsApp verification code not receiving. So for that, you have to first of all enable your airplane mode on your Android device or any device that you have been using. You can tap on airplane mode and again disable it after a while. Then you need to again connect to your internet connection, and that is how you can fix WhatsApp verification code not receiving problem in a first way. If this way also did not fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to check your phone number. Make sure that you have entered correct number with your correct country code. This might be the reason of not receiving the verification code. Once you have done that, the third thing you can do is restart your phone. So restarting your phone will fix different kind of glitches that is on your device. You can hold on your power button, and from here you can slide to restart and restart your phone. So doing so will fix your issues. If this is not yet working for you, go to settings on your device and go to apps. Select app management option and check WhatsApp on the search bar at the top of the screen. Open WhatsApp app info page, and from here select storage uses and clear cache and data of WhatsApp as well. The fifth thing you can do in order to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem is you can request a call if you haven't yet received the SMS. And the last but not the least you can do is you can reinstall WhatsApp application. Tap and hold WhatsApp application and now tap on this trash icon and tap on install and easily reinstall it again from Play Store or App Store on your device. So that's how you can fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem by following any of the 6 steps. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.